In this video, we'll be talking about how to install WordPress on your Windows 10. For that, we'll first download Xampp on our PC. So for download, just go to this download site. I have already downloaded it. Now we'll download the WordPress. So just click on download WordPress. It's downloading. Once it's downloaded, it's taking time. Just wait for a second. It's taking time. Just okay, it's downloaded. Now go to show in copy. You can copy or cut that WordPress zip file. Okay, we'll cut that and paste it into Xampp htdocs. Here we'll paste that. Now we will extract that. Right click, extract here. Once it's extracted, we'll go to our browser, and now we'll have to start the Xampp first. Sorry, go to Xampp. Start the Apache and MySQL server. I'll go to, now we'll open our browser. Type localhost, the direct folder name WordPress. You'll see the installation page front. Before doing that, we'll create a database, wp_local. I'll just create. Database has been created. Now we'll go to that login page, continue. Now we'll give the site title, suppose test. Username and password is given, so confirm that password. Okay, your email ID. Then to disable like search engine optimization SEO visibility from Google, we just discourage that because we are just doing for the test purpose. Now click on install WordPress. It will take time. Okay, now WordPress has been successfully installed on your Windows 10. Now go to login. Now this is the admin console of your WordPress website. Now go to visit site. See, you can check that hello world is there. WordPress has been successfully installed on your Windows 10. Thank you.